do we have here?
Sydney.
Where are we coming out from?
Arkansas.
What do you think of it out here so far?
It's beautiful.
Yeah, you've been here before.
Yeah, I've been here for a few years.
All right,
Off
so
and on.
all right, so you're about to change your whole perspective, get a little bird's eye view down on it, huh?
Yeah.
Any final last words, comments? No?
Let's fucking do this.
All right, good. So we're taking them to the grave?
Yeah.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Next time we see you guys, we'll be out at the plane.
Okay.
Big smiles. Yeah.
Woo-hoo! Ladies, we found us an airplane. You ready to get in this thing so we can get right back out?
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. Get them hands up in the air. Woo! High five! High five! High five! Woo!
Dude, you did fantastic. Oh, Jackie boy. Yeah. Baby, you did great. Turn around for me. Mama's coming down. We're gonna leave this on the station. See that truck over there? That is our final line. There's our sweet baby boy Jack.
Hey, sweet baby boy Jack. I've heard great things about you.
Alright, so Sydney, how was it?
It was so great. I'm so glad I did it.
What's your favorite part?
Probably the free fall.
The free fall?
Yes.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
So next time, you're gonna fly the parachute?
No.
Yeah.
Maybe.
You gonna open the parachute?
No.
You're gonna try.
Yeah, I'll try.
All right. Oh, heck yeah. You did awesome.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming out.
Thanks for having me.
And then